Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. Our job here is to help give you some maths tips and advice, help you improve your maths confidence. Obviously, please like, subscribe, share our videos, and let's help as many people as we can. Okay, hello, welcome to this short video on adding and subtracting directed numbers, and we're going to be using those zero pairs that we spoke about in a previous video. Okay, so the first one we're going to start with is nice and easy. 5 add 3. Now, sometimes you might see this written as 5 add positive 3. Yeah, so positive 5 add positive 3. So again, we can use our counters. So we've got 5, and we're going to add on 3. So hopefully it should be nice and straightforward to see that we've got 5 add 3 to give us 8. And what we're going to do is just keep a little running total down the side here of the sums we've done. So we've done 5 add 3, which equals 8. Right, what we're going to do now is change it slightly. Instead of adding positive 3, I'm going to add negative 3. So remember our double-sided counters, we can turn them over. And now if we think about this one, we've got now 3 of our zero pairs that cancel out, haven't they? So it leaves us with, this bit's 0, so it only leaves us with 2. Yeah, so 5 add negative 3 is going to equal 2. Okay, I'm going to use the same numbers all the time in a positive and negative format. So hopefully you can spot some patterns. Okay, so next we're going to change them slightly. So negative 5 add 3. So I'm going to turn these ones over. So there's my negative 5. And add the 3 this time. So add the positive 3. And again, hopefully you should see we've got 3 zero pairs. This leaves us with our negative 2. So negative 5 add 3 leaves us negative 2. Okay, our next one, we're going to do negative 5 add negative 3. So again, we've got our negative 5, and we're going to add on 3 more negatives. So the way I like to think about this one, if you've got 5 negatives and now you add on 3 more negatives, hopefully you should be able to see now using the counters, you've got negative 8. So negative 5 add negative 3, so you get 3 more, gives us negative 8. So it's like, hopefully you should be able to see a link between this one at the top. So positive 5 add positive 3 gives us positive 8. Negative 5 add negative 3 gives us negative 8. Right, so that's hopefully the positive. The positives are generally quite, when you add them, sorry, they're generally quite straightforward. The problems come about when we start subtracting. So we'll move back to the positive first. So we'll start with, nice and easy, positive 5, take away positive 3. So we've got positive 5, and hopefully it should be nice and straightforward. We can take away 3 of those to leave us with 2. So if I start a new little section here, 5 take away 3 leaves us with 2. If I did negative 5 take away 3, so if I put 5 negatives on, now this is where the problem comes slightly, because what we're trying to do is negative 5 take away positive 3. But I haven't got any positives to take away. I can take away some negatives, I haven't got any positives. So what I have to do is introduce some zero pairs Okay, so hopefully from the previous video you should be happy that that still represents -5, because these 0 pairs don't actually add anything to the total. So we've got -5 and we've got 3 0 pairs, because now I can take away 3 positives. So we can see we're left with -8. So -5 take away 3 equals -8. It's being careful not to fall in that trap of that little thing that some people learn, that 2 negatives make a positive, because this is very different. It's a -5 take away +3. Okay, our next one we're going to have is +5 take away -3. So again, hopefully you should see a little similarity. So +5, again, I haven't got any negatives to take away, so I had to introduce 3 0 pairs again. So I've still got +5 represented, but now I can take away 3 negatives. So it leaves me with 5 take away -3, leaves me with 8. Yeah, that equals 8. And the last one we're going to do is we're going to have -5 take away -3. So move them out of the way. Okay, so we've got our -5, and much like the positive one, we can do take away 3 negatives to leave me with -2. So down the bottom here, -5 take away -3 does leave me with -2. Okay, so we had our positive versions, or not positive versions, ones where we're adding directly numbers, and our examples where we were subtracting negative numbers. Hopefully I should be able to see the patterns, and hopefully that's helped a little bit. Obviously having counters helps, but if you've not got counters, you can always do just little signs. So I've got 5 negatives and I want to take away 3 of them, so I can literally just rub out or cross out those 3 to leave me 2 negatives. Okay, thanks for watching.